server.
I'm making a Minecraft.
Minecraft server.
And
How many dedicated WAM do you need?
I love it. This looks so fucking nice.
64 gigabytes of dedicated WAM.
Wow. Let me download some.
Wow. How much dedicated RAM do you have in your basement PC?
Many.
Many? 128 bits.
Wow.
Wow. No, but for real.
Too much. So.
Too much. Yeah, good answer.
So much.
So you got GPU pass through and cross working, and you're playing.
I need a lift to that. That's right.
You need a what?
Huh?
You need a what?
I need a lift. That's what it's called. It's called a lift.
Oh. Bro, I thought he was talking about. I thought he's talking about the Proxmox server.
Just fucking. No, I was just.
Oh, fuck. Intel Core i7 6700. What's the spectrum
That's what you have?
No. I'm buying a server.
Oh, you're buying a server. How many servers do you have?
What the hell?
You don't want to do any hot work. That's what it's called.
Exactly. I'm not voting it to. I think I'm making a Minecraft server, and then all of a sudden getting fucking DDoS.
Oh, that type of server.
Oh, okay.
Max turbo. What? Too bad. Don't give me words for
Okay, that was weird.
64 gigs. 24.
I would recommend Hesi. Everybody loves Hesi. Everybody loves OVH. They have the best DDoS protection.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, because how it works is if you have a DDoS, they shut down your server, so there's nothing to DDoS.
They're like, oh, you DDoS then? Yeah, go.
the OVH DDoS protection just shuts down your server, so there's no server DDoS.
7-Eleven is now in the city.
Or you DDoS.
Let's say you're DDoSing a cheap $1 VPS. What do you think they would do?
Do I get OVH SOY? SYS. Headset.
You know, Kim Sufi has a $5 dedicated server now, but I don't know if that's real or not. Like, that must be a fun. So you're telling me the wait, no, I think that's you start, right? The $5.
So you start.
Yeah, I know, but like, which one is the $5 server? Isn't that shit?
Yes, it's not the best.
I mean, it's $5 though.
It runs on an atom of it.
No, it's got like proper specs. Wait, I have to send it. I have to send it to you. I have it.
Let me read this. I'm on the website. Where is the food? Oh my god, it's got 6700k. What?
Yeah,
What?
I know that I was confused as hell. Is that even real? That's why I thought it was a prank. That's why I thought it was a prank. Like the website admins decide to.
Hold on, I'm on the website now. Oh.
Like it must be fake, you know?
Dude,
This feels.
insane.
It
Okay,
feels
well,
like
F5
it's too good to be true. Yeah, but still, £10 is a crazy price for that kind of server. Bro, I'm buying 10 of those once they launch.
Many of them.
Oh, no. I'm gonna beat you to it, dude. I'm gonna demolish the entire stock before you even.
The only problem with this one is that it's quite the It's not even that bad. You can run with
Yeah, it's
it
not even that bad.
Trailers on. Engines out.
Oh, I am buying that as soon as that comes in.
Nah, I'm beating
I'm
you to
using
it.
that. No.
Let's make this a competition. Okay. Okay then. Okay. You don't know how
When does
many
when does
scrapers
that
that I
come out?
have.
When does that come out?
Well, it doesn't matter because I'm gonna have like 20 scrapers on.
20 scrapers.
Yeah, 20
Don't
scrapers.
want 20 of them.
Nope,
Maybe
nope,
want 2 of them.
70.
Nah, I gotta beat it's like the stock market, dude. You gotta beat everyone to it, so you need 20 scrapers.
That is crazy.
I'm gonna have 50 bots and 50 human people
Okay,
watching.
that's not what I'm here for. That is not what I'm here for. We're here for this. We're here for some gaming service. Everybody guys, this is going to be 86.
Why don't you use
100.
Hetzner?
That's what we're gonna use.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
It's 1 gigabit. Nice.
No, but it's SATA. I'm not sure. I don't think it matters.
This is the SSD.
Yeah.
Once we can swap it out, we can do NVMe.
Well, I got a better deal because I live in
There
a
you go.
country where the taxes are.
There we go. That's an NVMe one. Same price.
That's even 512 gigs for 2 of them. The previous one was 256.
Yeah, that's it.
Come on.
But I mean, is that CPU good enough?
It's decent, but like,
Yeah, I guess so.
or like a small
I've been
server,
thinking
it's
of getting one, but I don't know which one I should get. Should I get the 7700 or the 6700?
decent. It's a 77. Was it 7700? Did you say? It's about the same, to be honest.
Oh,
Okay, it's got a better frequency, better turbo on it. Actually, the base is 4.2, so the base rate is 4. It's about 0.2 of a difference.
0.2 matters. I mean, hey, 0.2 inches matter, so I'm sure 0.2 gigahertz also matters.
Well,
What about DDoS protection? Does Hetzner have a good DDoS protection? Or do I have to run
they
it?
do on their crowd servers. I don't know.
Do you know ByVM?
IVM.
Yeah, I heard they have a good DDoS protection.
What is it? IVM?
Yeah, ByVM.
What? BYVM?
Buy BUI buy.
Oh,
I'm gonna buy this at the store.
that is-
Look, DDoS protection.
I like how that's like the main. Okay. Dedicated KVM. Oh, it's not a lot of RAM though. If I want to make it more fun.
No. You don't buy it. You don't buy it for the specs. You buy it for the DDoS protection, and you proxy your Hetzner through that.
Can do.
I have a bot that scrapes the like stock when there's a stock available, because it's always out of stock. So
Yeah.
I have it where it sends me a notification if there's stock available.
On the storage service.
Yeah, but once again, you don't buy it for the specs. You buy it for the DDoS.
Yeah. I really got a storage service. Yeah, you could just rotate through to be fair. Just rotate through like one of these. Right. For now, let's get an i7 6700, shall we?
But I think Hetzner DDoS protection is good enough so that you don't need by VM.
I think they're right. I'm pretty sure they're right. Because I know on the cloud service is pretty fun.
Yeah, Hetzner is good enough to be honest. If you use Hetzner, you don't need by VM. But if you use OVH, well,
yeah, this is,
you probably do.
You're cooked with that point. Just go home. Don't come back. That's it.
You got DDoS protected? Oh, sorry, we're gonna suspend your service.
Bye bye.
But
Okay,
why?
for some
Why?
reason-
Maybe I should put lights on.
Why low key? I kind of want to use OVH for DDoS protection just to see how bad they are. Like, I actually want to know. Like, I'm actually kind of interested because OVH keeps
You know.
getting shit on about their DDoS protection.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have just bought a server.
Wait, like literally
Yep,
just now?
been bought.
Oh.
There we go.